home to some of Britain's most prominent people. Now police have confirmed for the first time it's one of the places they believe an elite paedophile ring abused boys, physically, sexually, and may even have murdered them. The claims come from Nick, not his real name. He's given a detailed account to the police and the BBC.
I've never experienced pain like it. I hope I never do again. But some of it was deliberate. They had no fear at all of being caught. It didn't even cross their mind.
He says they controlled his life, picking him up in chauffeur-driven cars and taking him to Dolphin Square and a variety of other locations. They called what happened parties. Nick says as many as 20 boys were abused alongside him. Experienced murder and child abuse detectives have interviewed him in detail, and
they and I believe what Nick is saying is to be credible and to be true, and as such, with those allegations, we will investigate them. We will go where the evidence takes us without fear or favour.
Today, police working on what's codenamed Operation Midland said the abuse happened between 1975 and 1984. At locations in London and southern England, including military bases. They believe 3 children were murdered, one possibly being run down in the street. Nick's descriptions of the abuse are detailed. He's given the police the places where it happened and the names of the abusers, in total around a dozen full or partial names. They are senior figures from the military, from law enforcement and from politics. Some of them are dead, but some of them are still alive. 800 cases, including unsolved child murders, are now being examined for possible links to a VIP abuse ring. Martin Allen hasn't been seen since 1979 when he was 15. Police say they haven't connected him with Nick's allegations, but tonight asked us not to show his picture in case identifying him became an issue. Martin's brother is desperate for answers.
Sort of days turned into weeks, and then months and years and decades.
And nothing?
And yeah, 3 decades and a half, and still no further ahead than from day one, really.